2014 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck. With less than 76,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, power outlet, keyless entry, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor. This is a top-rated dealer. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.